हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूँ अंजलि क्यूरोस्कोप की आवाज़ और आप सुन रहे हैं क्यूरियोसिटी की कहानियाँ। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस वीडियो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल। रेडी सेट गो। द रनर्स टेक ऑफ, some are super fast, some are bit slower. But here's a question. How do we know who ran the longest distance? How do we measure how far they went? That's where today's fun topic comes in. The length. The term length refers to the measurement of how long something is from one end to the another. It is one of the fundamental dimensions in geometry and measurement. आसान शब्दों में कहूँ तो लंबाई मतलब आप कितनी दूरी तक भागे हैं, आपकी लंबाई कितनी है, या फिर किसी पेंसिल की लेंथ क्या है. It is usually measured in units like meters, centimeters, inches, or feet. Implies we can have a numeric value that determine the length of an object. But how can we measure it? We can measure it with the help of ruler, which is also known as scale for smaller objects, for example pen. We use a measuring tape for bigger objects, like to measure the length of a bed or a wall. And for long distances, we use trundle wheel or odometer, like the length of the roads or the distance of the car traveling from Delhi to Mumbai. Let us understand better from the visual example of length. Imagine you want to measure the size of pencil. What will you do? You will put the pencil near your scale and check what is the length. So here we see it's 8 cm. Therefore the length of the pencil is 8 cm. Similarly, the other visual examples of length are measuring a pet, growing a plant, length of a subject book, or how long the slice of a pizza from crust to tip. Now we know what is length and how to measure it. But still, why is it so important? So length is one of the most important measurements we use in everyday life, science, math, and technology. Here's why it's so important. It helps us measure and compare things like height, distance, or size. We use length in everyday life, like to know the length or the size of your clothes, or the size of a furniture, or how did we travel. Length is needed in construction to build things correctly. We use in math and science to solve problems and understand the space. And is also used in sports to set fair distances. Therefore, without knowing how long something is, we couldn't build, compare, or move efficiently. Thus, length is everywhere. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आए हो तो शेयर ज़रूर करो, क्योंकि नॉलेज बांटने से बढ़ता है. और अगर तुम्हारे दिमाग में भी कोई क्यूरियोसिटी घूम रही हो तो कमेंट करो, मैं उस पर भी वीडियो बनाऊंगी. तब तक के लिए लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.